All right, today we're gonna make a parrot out of a paper plate.
Using kid scissors so they're not too sharp and you cut yourself. You're just gonna go straight across the middle of the plate. To make the head smaller, I cut off a little bit of extra piece, but I'm gonna use this piece and use it for the tail of the parrot. I'm gonna glue it down here. So yeah, it looks something like this. Now I have to decorate it. I'm trying to use things that I already have at my house. These are baking cups for cupcakes. You put them down the bottom of the dish, and that's what goes around the cupcake. I'm gonna use them for the feathers. I'm gonna take 3 different colors and put them together, and then I'm gonna glue it down like so. Fold it in half. Then I'm going to put glue down, and it's going to stick up like so. See how I'm putting the glue down? Just a line around. And I'm going to stick it down to the edge. You can do it this way, or you can do whatever you want. This is going to be the body of the parrot. Same thing with the green. Fold it in half and then put the glue down. It kind of looks like a rainbow inside of it. And place it down again. See how it kind of looks like a wing? I'm going to do one more color in that spot, and that's going to be the yellow that I have. Push it in half. And then we'll follow the rainbow around. Pretty. More feathers. I'm going to add more onto here until I cover up all the white other. What comes after pink? I have pink, green, yellow, pink, green, yellow, pink, green. The pattern. I'm going to put glue again down, follow the bottom, and I'm going to smush it inside of there. Third row right here. Third row, you can be creative. You can do whatever you want to make the wings. This is how I'm doing mine. Now for the white, the extra white part, I'm gonna just take it, spin it together, and then I'm just gonna put the glue down and push it down into the extra white area. All right, this is the belly of the bird. It kind of looks like feathers. You can even, if you have any feathers at home, use those too to stick on there. Whatever you want to do, just be creative. You can kind of move it around to make it a little fluffier. It's going to be the bottom part of the parrots. And yeah, I colored one in pink, green, and now I'm going to color another one in yellow. I have it over a piece of paper towel so you don't get it on the counter because it's a small area to color in. Alright, now I'm putting them on the back seat, the back side of it, with the body, and I'm going to let them sit there for a little bit so they can dry. It's going to be the head. I'm going to take a yellow marker because the beak is yellow. I'm going to cut it in half. And then I'm going to color the rest of this in. So that is the beak of the bird. The other side I'm going to color in purple or red or whatever color you decide on. And that's going to be the face. Alright, that's the face of the bird. Now it needs an eye. I do not have googly eyes, so I'm going to try my best to make a good circle with this black paint. Alright, I have the eye on there. After I'm done, I'm going to glue it to the body. I'm going to let it dry for a little bit. before I start gluing it. All right, I'm going to glue the face to the body. I'm gonna put glue inside of here, and then I'm gonna stick the bird's face inside of there. And then it's going to look like the birdie. Look, how cute.
All right, that's how you make a parrot. Make sure you clean all your work up. Have a great day. Bye.